Hi friends, I'm Shraddha Sumani from IIDME and today we will be discussing about what are the different modules that you will be learning with digital marketing. When it comes to learning digital marketing, the most common question which learner has that what are we going to learn and how it will help us. So let us discuss. First module that you are going to learn in digital marketing is WordPress website and blogs creation. As you all know that digital marketing does not require any technical or coding knowledge. WordPress website is a perfect tool. WordPress session you will learn how to create different kind of websites like business websites, company websites, social media networking sites, e-commerce websites, portfolio websites or any sort of blogging websites. If you know the well-known brand like Sony and Oracle also uses WordPress to build up a website. Next module that we are going to learn is social media marketing. You might be using social media marketing for your personal use. But do you know how brand uses social media marketing and increases their followers and sales for the business? So let us look at Myntra as a brand on social media. And if you can see the number of people who are liking Myntra and the number of people who are following Myntra brand, they have over 5 million of users. So we will be also learning the strategies and the tips through which you can increase your followers organically in the sense without paying on social media networks and with paying social media network. If you see the beauty of social media network, I can get good conversion and sales. And how is that possible? Just to give you an idea about it, it's possible to do a detailed targeting. So when we say targeting, it simply means to showcase the ads to the person who might be interested in your products or services. To take an example, you might be a gifting companies like Archie's or Hallmark, and you might advertise to people who are having their anniversaries or birthday. And if you can see in the detail targeting, this is what exactly we can do. So those are some tips, techniques, how to find your target audiences, how to get more conversions, how to get sales, how to get followers for your brand on social media. That is what we are going to learn in social media. After social media, we are going to learn about the concept of search engine optimization. So what exactly is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is a technique through which you can show your brand at the first page of engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, right? So say for example, you want to go for a holiday and you are searching for holiday packages in India on Google. What you can see is you can see some of the brands coming at the first page like Make My Trip, Yatra.com, thomascook.in. So how that is possible? That is possible through search engine optimization, and this is the technique that we are going to learn. Why SEO is important for the brand? So I may ask you a simple question. How many of you visit the second, third page of Google? You can see there are so many pages where the information for your query is available. We are not even bothered to go to second or third page. Simply what we do is if we don't find a satisfactory answer, we again change our query and search. Hence, it's very important that our brand or a blogging page is at first page so that we can make people aware about our brand, we can get good traffic and sales for our brand. After SEO, the next module that we are going to learn is search engine marketing. Now you may ask me that what is a difference between SEO and SEM? SEO simply means that without paying to the search engine, we are positioned at the first page. But SEM means that we time pay to the search engine to show the result. If you can see, this is the ad which is coming in, right? So whenever you search on a search engine like Google, the results which you see is of a mixed result. You see the ad result as well as you can see the organic results. So organic results or the results where the ad is not appearing, the ad word is not appearing, comes through SEO, and the result through which the ad word is coming comes through SCM. Now, sometimes doing SCM is required for a brand if your brand is very new and you may want to make people aware of the brand. If you have really some good offers and promotion coming up, and if you want to make people about the current offerings and promotions that you have, you might need to advertise. So, in SCM, we will be learning the tips and techniques to advertise on Google and get maximum out of the amount that you spend to create the ads. The next module that we are going to learn is content marketing. In digital marketing, it is said that content is a king. Why is it so? If you're creating a website and if you want to attract your visitors, you need to have a good content. If you are posting on social media, you need to have a good content to attract your users. If you're advertising, you need to have a good content to convince them and to convert them. If you are doing an email marketing, it is again very necessary that reading your emails, people take action to get converted or sales. Hence, we will be learning the techniques of how to write a good content, how to distribute your content so that it reaches to more and more audience, and how to convince your users and get more sales out of the content that you write. We will be also learning email marketing. Email marketing is the oldest form of marketing and its evolution is even before the digital marketing era started. In email marketing, we are going to learn how to reach our consumers directly. This might seem very similar to you when it comes to emails. You might be getting a lot of emails from your brand, but how many of them do you really open? And if you open, how many of them do you really read and click the links or get converted? In email marketing, we are going to learn the art of convincing, the art of teaching our consumer so that they take the necessary actions for the emails that we are sending. In email marketing, we are also going to learn about the concept of drip email marketing or automation email marketing. So, what exactly it is? It might look the similar scenario which have might happen with you as well. You are going to a e-commerce website where you might wish to purchase a product. You add the product in the cart, but you don't purchase. After some time, you receive an email stating that your product is added into a cart. Now, if you take some action on that email or you open that email, but again, if you don't purchase, again after some times it comes and you are getting a message like your card is about to expire. That means they create a sense of urgency to purchase the product. So, all this is done through the automation. Now, let us understand that Amazon as a website, there might be many customers who are abounding to the cart. So, how they will know about it? So, they really send emails to an individual users? They might be having thousands of users who might be abounding a cart in a single day. So we require a drip marketing or automation marketing to take care of this. And this is exactly we are going to learn in our email marketing module. You might have heard that bloggers used to earn a lot of money. And nowadays same stands for YouTubers. So how exactly do they earn? That is what we are going to learn in this module. We will be learning the tips and techniques, the approval policies through which you can earn online by having your own digital marketing assets like YouTube channel, blogging page, and mobile apps. The next most important concept that we are going to learn in digital marketing is retargeting or remarketing. This is the form of marketing which is used by almost every brand to get more sales and conversion. So, what exactly is a remarketing or retargeting? You may take an example where you are wishing to purchase or book a flight ticket from New Delhi to Raipur. Now you are just going to the site and checking for the tickets, but you are not purchasing. Here where the remarketing comes. Marketers track this activity, and if you are not converted on their site, they might show you the ads on the different websites. They don't just show you the simple ad, but they show you a personalized ad. What do we mean by a personalized ad? Now, marketers exactly know that you wish to purchase a ticket from New Delhi to Raipur. Hence, they will provide you with the special offers and discounts in the form of ads on different websites. And this is what exactly we are going to learn, the tips and techniques for displaying the ads through remarketing. When it comes to digital marketing, the most important advantage of digital marketing is that we can easily measure the performance of each digital marketing channel, and we can analyze and we can decide and plan the strategy for the channels which is working well and from which channel we are getting our potential customers. We can also measure regarding the channel which is not performing well. We can do in a depth analysis and find out the reason behind it. If you can see the type of analysis that we can do our audience analysis in the form of age, in the form of gender, in the form of interest, and even in the form of technology. So, if I say gender, I will exactly know that how many of them are male and how many of them are female who are visiting my site for the first time. What is the technology they are using? That means what are the type of browsers through which my users are coming in, whether they are using the Chrome browser, the Safari browser, the Firefox browser, what is the mobile network they are using. The possibilities are endless. Hence we'll be learning the strategy, the tactics through which we can improve on our all digital marketing effort. At IIDM, we strongly believe that you don't only learn the techniques of digital marketing, but you also learn to implement in this live scenario. So, we also focus on the skill developments that is required for digital marketing. So, what exactly skill developments do we focus on? We will teach how to do a planning and budgeting. So, whenever you want to advertise on Facebook, on Google, or any other digital marketing channel, we will teach you how to do a planning and budgeting so that you get maximum out of your returns on investment. You will also learn how to do the campaign management, how to do the social media management, how to do a copywriting. That means whenever you are writing a ad copy, how you can write a good ad copy, designing sense whenever you are designing the creatives on social media, or you are creating a website, or you are creating an emailers, how you should design the tools and knowledge for analytics and automation. It is a waste if you don't know how to use the tools and how to do the analysis and digital marketing. And not only this, you will actually learn how to practically implement the digital marketing concepts like a pro in the industry with a confidence. So, aren't you excited to learn? Welcome and learn the history and power of digital marketing for your business and career growth. Thank you.